Tesla is on the verge of announcing a factory in Mexico, reportedly acquired land in Nuevo León, Mexico. And it's on the verge of announcing a plan to build a factory on it earlier this year. People crossing the border between Texas and Nuevo León were surprised to see not just the unusual marked lanes for cars and trucks, but also one marked Tesla. Now, obviously the advantage here, diversification, cost. What about a low-cost Tesla? I mean, I'm not speculating, but it looks like you are.
Maybe. It is kind of funny to see the word Tesla above them. Like, imagine if it said Ford.
Here?
Yeah.
That's where the Teslas go.
Bizarre.
Yeah.
Yeah, but there was talk for a long time, right? What was the Model 3 originally supposed to cost? 30 grand, right?
Yeah.
Was that the target number?
30, 35, around there.
And you paid what, 60? Canadian,
Yeah.
to be fair.
Sure.
But I don't know.
It can go lower.
In the U.S., did it even hit 30? The real key is when it hits 25 grand.
That's so cheap.
Once you get the electric car, 25 grand, then a lot of people are looking at it.
Yeah.
A lot more people.
Is there a EV that's 25?
Nissan
right
Leaf, maybe?
The Leaf.
Yeah.
I don't know. What, you want me to look into it?
How many factories does he have now? Because he's got one in China, one in Berlin.
Fremont.
How many does he have in the States?
3?
27.8.
Wait, 3 in total or 3 in the States?
I think 3 in total, right? Fremont,
No,
Berlin.
China.
China
Shanghai.
and Berlin.
Yeah.
And now maybe
Fremont,
Mexico.
Germany, Berlin. You guys are forgetting Austin.
Austin, yeah. His
Austin, right.
Cybertruck.
so
Oh, right,
wow.
yeah. Giga.
He's expanding.
So guys, Nissan Leaf 27.8. The least expensive
It's not a hybrid, right?
new EV on the market. No, 2023 that's your entry point. Now, it doesn't look like a Model 3.
No.
Mo, you don't have to go that far with it.
I mean, it's fine, but you're not catching me in this.
What? You're screaming and yelling and shouting.
No, I like
It's not that bad
Jeep.
looking.
Come on, Lou.
Hey.
What about you, Will? How bad do you think the Nissan Leaf looks? The 2023.
If I really wanted a EV and I was cost efficient, yeah, I wouldn't mind.
like, I mean,
Maybe in black or something.
I got some trunk space in. I could probably put my hockey gear
No,
in there.
only white will.
Oh, only white? Let me think about that.
Guys, I think you guys are just not seeing it here. I think she's a beauty.
No, this 45 angle is not appealing. The side profile looks kind of cool, though.
Oh, yeah, a little.
No, all the way. That's still not appealing to me.
How about there? Did you start to like it more on the side? I don't know what you're talking about.
No, go up, Will. Go up.
Okay.
Yeah, that one.
Yeah, it's a nice
That doesn't
profile.
look too bad.
And then
looking at
Tesla
the
Model
interior.
3 starting price USD is what?
Oh, look at the gear shift.
35?
That's an interesting gear shift.
Yeah, they're EVs, man. They're always trying something new.
Yeah, well, they gotta.
But the problem
drive
is,
selector.
here's the other problem. If I try to order a Model 3 base model,
Okay.
actually, they're saying December. They're flying right now or what?
Hey, remember? They always tell you like
Uh-oh.
the estimated time.
Did we just hit a soft
delivery.
spot here? Uh-oh.
But then once you put down the deposit, it might go up to like several months. That's what happened to me.
Will, you're screaming.
They entice you.
He's not
It's
screaming.
all because I didn't get FSD.
You're
The
screaming right now.
20K FSD Canadian.
Oh my God, is it 20K
It's
now?
20K now. Yeah.
But Will, I'm on the U.S. site right now, and it's saying to me, estimated delivery December 2022 base model, $40,000.
Yeah.
No?
Put down a
What's the range
deposit,
on
dude,
that?
and
Wait,
find out.
let me go to a purchase price.
And it's also
Oh,
US.
that's with potential savings already applied.
Okay.
Purchase price USD 46,990. That's a big difference.
What's the range on that?
272 miles. It's guys, I'm just saying, I look, it's a nice car. Don't get me wrong. The Model 3 it's sick, but it's still a little bit pricey.
It is, yeah.
It's still a little bit pricey at the moment.
is.
And
It doesn't have footwell lights.
so
Come on now.
you guys you can hate on the Leaf, but you can buy one right now for 27.
Sure.
You can do it.
Yeah.
And don't even get me started on the Kia stuff going on and Hyundai.
Wait, what's going on there?
Well, they got electric option.
Is there something really cool?
Well, they got options. I see them. I'm seeing them more and more on the street, right? The Ioniq.
Oh, dude, my friend just ordered the Ionic 5.
Yeah, they're
And,
good looking. No,
I think Ryan's actually looking
The
at
wait time is
Ionic.
like 2 years.
okay.
Oh, wow.
Well, how about this? How about this?
What's that?
Wait, that's the hybrid. I need the fully electric.
Which one? EV6?
I didn't even know they were doing a hybrid version. If you want to save some money, it's like 23 grand. It starts at Ionic 5 starts at 41,450.
Yeah. Beautiful car. Just long wait time.
41. That's cheap. Well, cheaper.
I know, but I'm saying you got to get like the original promise, like 30.
35, I think.
Yeah.
But then you got inflation and everything going on. Well, you can attest to it.
Don't even.
Well, you can tell us what's going on. What's going on
Say
with your,
inflation around.
what's going on with your investments? Go ahead.
Well, my plan's working great. You know, buy high, sell low. It's a fantastic market for that plan.
Right, right. So you're really
This is not financial
You're
advice.
basically crushing it, is what
Yeah.
you'd say.
Yeah.
You've effectively crushed your savings.
Remember when Tesla was 1,000?
That was you.
Yeah, that was me.
You bought at the like highest of highs.
I bought at peak.
Well, I'm glad you can admit it and laugh about it
What are you gonna do?
a little bit. But Tesla stock price, what is it right now, Mo? You probably know this, but I'll look it up anyway.
They did a
150,
split, right?
150.
But
Oh,
they
split.
split. Yeah.
So 300.
yeah. But it's
300 to your 1,000.
it's gone down. Yeah. But that happens. You know, I bought at a very inflated price. There was
Yeah.
a lot of hype around.
Yeah, you
it.
couldn't resist the hype,
I
could you?
know.
Yeah.
It was too good. I mean, obviously, I evaluated the business and I think it's good. So I'm going to keep holding.
How long's this hold?
Well, as long as nothing changes in their business model or leadership.
What do you mean? This guy's over at Twitter now, and
I know, but the business is still running without him.
you sure about that?
Well, Will got his Tesla. Maybe late, but he got it.
Yeah, but you see people on Twitter, Mo, and they're saying, "Here's me canceling my Tesla order because I don't like what Elon
Sure,
said."
but that's
on
that's a
Twitter."
part of their business. It's like
So you don't think that
if you
part?
don't buy the headphones of Apple.
So do you think that sentiment is growing or shrinking? Just the general positive sentiment around the brand since Elon buys Twitter. Are people more into Tesla or are they more skeptical of Tesla?
I think right now they're very skeptical,
Mm-hmm.
and that is reflected on their stock price, right?
And you think that the Twitter purchase has something to do with that? Anything?
Well,
anything?
obviously,
There's
yeah.
like macroeconomic things
Yeah.
going on, but anything to do with it?
Yes.
Well,
Yeah, I would say so. Yeah.
Well, when you're buying a stock, you're buying the business, and you're putting your trust in the leadership of the business.
Mm-hmm.
If you're seeing that the leadership is distracted or playing with a new toy, then you're a little like, okay, well then who's running that other business that
Yeah.
I'm backing?
That's exactly what it is.
Yeah. So that happens, but I think Elon and remember back like maybe a year or 2 years ago, he was like, I got great people who work at Tesla. He was always talking about his employees. in a
Will,
very
is it me
positive
or is
light.
Mo on absolute fire today? It's unbelievable what's going on over here.
No, he's doing great.
You
coming
talk about
back.
stocks, you get me interested.
He goes, see what I can do. Maybe I get on the show. And I said, man, what's the big deal? Like you love this. You're flying when you sit over there.
Oh, yeah.
And he goes, no, I can't. I don't know what I'm gonna do. And then he comes on and he gives us that right there. Look, he gives us the golden nugget.
I'm taking notes.
Yeah, he goes completely transparent, right, on his investments. And but this is not financial advice, though, right?
Exactly. There we go. We got to nail that line.
Okay, I think the people are gonna be really happy with what you just delivered right there. It's top-notch stuff going on. Anyway, yeah. So maybe factory in Mexico cut costs. Maybe they get that entry price lower. Maybe
Kind of missed this whole.
maybe they build the model. What would it be? 1? Are they missing Model 1? Could they do that? Because they were talking about that in China as well, having a Chinese-only model.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Like a Tesla branded Chinese only model?
Yes, that's correct. For the China market, something smaller, even smaller,
Oh, okay, I see.
And
Yeah.
cheaper.
and cheaper.
Yeah.
Yeah, because it's the electric car market is so
Makes
competitive
sense.
there.
Like he's making the Cybertruck for essentially America.
I mean, they're finally doing business in India now too, right? So like
Sure.
even there, you're gonna have to get something smaller and more cost effective. So we could see some.